Hey guys, this is Prosun here. So it happens sometimes that you connect the power supply to charge your PC or mobile and you forget to disconnect the supply after it's being fully charged. And that is very harmful for your battery life, and it shows inaccurate battery percentage after a few months or few years. So to avoid this case, I have made this application. This is a GUI based application, and this gives alert allowed when your battery is full or in low battery condition. So for that, we have to set upper range and lower range, and this upper range means after this range battery is full. So usually we would like to set upper range as 99%, because when my battery is at 100%, then my battery is full, and when my battery percentage is less than 20%, then my battery is in low battery condition. But here my current battery percentage is, you can see, 62%. So for demo purpose I will set my upper range as 64. Okay, so now, and one thing, after setting this range, you simply minimize this app and let it run on the background and it will work. So I will set my upper range as 64 and my lower range as 20. I will set this.
Battery is full. Battery is full. Battery is full.
You can see
Battery is full.
that
Battery is full.
my battery
Battery is
percentage
full.
reached
Battery is full.
64%, and it
Battery is
starts
full. Battery is
stating
full.
that battery is
Battery
full.
is full.
Means it's giving
Battery is
alert
full.
to that I
Battery
should
is full.
disconnect my power supply.
Battery is full.
And
Battery is full.
accordingly, when I will
Battery is full.
my battery
Battery
will
is full.
reach less than
Battery is full.
20%, then it will
Battery is full.
say
Battery
that
is
low
full.
battery, please connect
Battery
the
is full.
charger, like
Battery
this.
is full.
And
Battery
it's
is full.
running on
Battery
my
is full.
background.
Battery is full.
Okay.
Battery.
हेलो गाइस, तो आपने जैसे डेमो देख लिया है ऑलरेडी कि क्या बनाने वाले हैं हम आज। तो ऐसा एप्लीकेशन बनाने के लिए पहला चीज़ जो करना होगा, आपको एक यूज़र इंटरफेस डिज़ाइन करना है। और हम यहाँ पे पाइथन पे कोडिंग करते हैं, तो वी विल यूज़ किंटर, दैट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर डिज़ाइनिंग यूज़र इंटरफेस। किंटर से बहुत अच्छा खासा यूज़र इंटरफेस बन जाता है। ये तो बहुत ही सिंपल सा है, बस इसमें कुछ किया ही नहीं हूँ मैं। एक टेक्स्ट लगाया और 2 इनपुट फील्ड्स लगाया और एक बटन यूज़ किया हूँ, बस। और तो कुछ है ही नहीं। किंटर से आप बहुत अच्छे तरह से यूज़र इंटरफेस बना सकते हो, तो वो हम बना लेंगे। तो चलिए पहले कोडिंग कर लेते हैं, फिर मैं सब कुछ बताता हूँ कि कोडिंग में क्या क्या चल रहा है अंदर अंदर। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। So let's start with our explanation. So first we import this Kinter library to use them in my code, and as I said that Kinter is used for designing user interface in Python, and after that I initialize this Kinter and store them in a variable named master, and I will use this variable while I need. And after that, using this dot title method, I set the title of my window, that is person, and using dot icon bitmap, it is used to set icon of Tinter window. Okay, and one must remember that you can only set the .ico files as your icon. If you don't have .ico files, you first convert them in .ico and you can set them. Okay, so after that I made two levels, one is upper range and one is lower range, and I set their position. Upper range is in 0th row, and this lower range is in first row, using this grid management dot grid method. Okay, so now it's time to take user input, and for this we have to make entry box. For this we have made two entry boxes, one is e1 and one is e2, using this entry method, and I set the position of e1 in row 0 and first column, and position of e2 is first row first column, first row first column. You can see on my board what is actually this is 0th row first, second, third and fourth row and so on. This is 0th column, first, second, third, fourth column and so on, and my e1 is at 0 row first column, lower range is 0 row 0 column, and e2 is 0 row first column, and I set the button and in 0 row second column. Okay, you can see first row and second column, and this last line is most important, because without using this main loop you can't show your output, because if I don't use this main loop, then what will do is the window pop-ups for a nanosecond or less than a second, you can say. The window will pop up for less than 1 second and it will disappear. If you want to see, I can show you. Wait. Now I'm not using this main loop. Okay, and you say what happened. So as you saw that it pop-ups and disappears. So this main loop is used to constantly display these window on your screen, and you can work with them. So this is all about our part 1, and in this part we discussed about the user interface design. This is simple user interface, and in the part 2 we will discuss about its working. Means after entering the values, when you will click the set button, then how it will read your battery level in your system, and it will play alarm, or it will give an alert to you. We will see those in our next part. So thank you for watching this, and like this video, please subscribe my channel and be connected with me. Thank you.